I've placed over 500 people into remote setting and closing roles in the last 2 years through my company Kruze Institute. And here's exactly what we look for and how you can land your next high-paying remote sales gig. Number 1, you must have been through a top sales training online, preferably ours at Kruze Institute, because then we can coach you closely and then we know you've been trained in a sales process and scripts that has a track record and will actually get you results. Otherwise, there's only 3 other top sales trainings online that come to mind. If you have been through that training and you can demonstrate you're proficient with the skill, you can show us some of your mock or practice calls that are actually good, then we'll consider hiring you if you have absolutely no experience and you're a beginner in the industry. Number 2, you actually have a track record of experience in high ticket sales as a remote setter or closer, and you have actually been with someone for over 3 months where you've actually stuck it out. It's a massive red flag if you're bouncing between different offers, and we'll spot that pattern straight away. Also, if you're in another industry like solar or door-to-door sales or insurance or something that is not high ticket sales, cold calling, door-to-door sales, we would rather you go get trained in a top sales training so you can come to us at Kruze Institute or another one online, get trained up straight away. So if you want to get trained by us, go to www.kruzeinstitute.com and we can get you trained up fast and get you placed into a high ticket sales role online. Number 3, you're very responsive during the hiring process. It's a massive red flag for us when we message and email people to move the hiring process along and you don't get back fast. That's a red flag that shows when we communicate with you when you land a role in a Slack channel or WhatsApp or whatever, that you're going to get back and you're going to take your time and it's going to frustrate the business owner. So be responsive during the hiring process so we can move it along. Number 4, you fill out your application form diligently and with care. If you leave things half empty and you don't go through it properly, then straight away you're going to get DQ'd because it demonstrates how your care factor when you're actually going to be in a position if you can't fill out an application form properly. Number 5, your 90-second application video is very important when we screen you. If you can demonstrate confidence, what you can bring to the table, your track record and experiences if you've been through a training, and you can show that through the video, your personality, you've got good lighting and a good camera angle, then that's going to have a massive chance of you being forwarded to the final stages of the interview process. If you're not willing to do that and you've got too much ego and you think you're above it, then you're going to get DQ'd straight away. So these are some of the top things we look for, and we see basically over 50% of people not do these things, and you're going to wonder why you're sending 100 DMs a day for roles and you're not getting hired because no one's giving you the honest truth. And these are the things that you need in place, and if you have them in place, you will get hired in your next high-paying remote sales gig.